So I just received a packet that has a beaded memory wire bracelet kit from the workshop. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. So you can see the order here. The kit ordered has 4 loops. Those 4 loops divided into 2 bracelets is what I was requested. 2 different bracelets. I requested one with large beads and one with small beads. And the only mixed colors, and I asked for the large beads to have some stars in them. So one of the nice things with the kit, the beaded wire, each of these had 2 loops. And the first part of the loop is already turned. You can see the end so that the beads won't fall off. So I'm going to start with my small beads and string them on there, and you can see how that goes. Okay, now that I have strung all the beads onto the wire, I'm going to take pliers. This one doesn't have a very small end, but it'll still work, just any pliers you have. I'm going to just grab onto the end here and then twist it around to close it off. Sometimes I open it up and I'll grab that again and just twist it around. I left a little bit on the end without a bead, so that would close it up, and now the beads won't fall off the end. And that bracelet is finished. I can wrap it around my wrist, and it's very nice. So now I'll take the other set of beads that I have, the pony beads or larger beads, beads with a larger hole, and we're going to put these on the other wire that I requested. So now that I have all of the larger beads on this other bracelet, I'm going to turn the end just like I did on the first one. So I will take and pinch it right there and then just twist it around to close it off. And when the beads slide down, they won't come off. And then this one goes on just the same as the other one. So you can order these kits on the workshop website to make a memory wire beaded bracelet. This kit that was ordered was for 4 loops, and those 4 loops were divided into 2 bracelets, one with large beads and one with small beads. Both of them had mixed colors, and we requested that the large bead one have a few star beads thrown in. So yeah, go to the workshop website and order a memory wire bracelet beaded kit.